But specifically, when we use our submerged systems designed specifically for PolyJet support removal, this is some of the biggest benefits that you'll see. First and foremost, it eliminates labor to clean parts and allows for batching of dozens to hundreds of parts at once. So suddenly, you're not relying on one person cleaning one part at once. They can do them all in a single cycle, which is huge. You have to support something that has tight time frames and deadlines. You're now able to plan better when it comes to the post-printing. It really doesn't matter who's running the parts. You're going to have the same time to clean parts over and over again. Now that we have a system or a solution that's completely designed for additive, it can handle those very thin wall PolyJet applications. It can handle those internal geometries. Suddenly, if you can print it, you can clean it, and now that opens up the door for more applications that you can assist with and support.